Alright, so I'm dealing with a switch that doesn't want to charge. And it keeps coming up with this icon, then it goes off, and it'll come back on. Okay. I believe this is because the battery is too drained and some kind of a weird fault. Anyways, it'll do this forever. So, what I did last time it did this is I took the sides off, I made sure it was plugged in, and then I pressed the power button for about 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, maybe I wasn't pushing it in all the way. Darn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Then you just walk away for about 20 minutes. You know, it's not working. Well, that's what I did last time. Oh, maybe it is charging. Okay, well, give that a go, see what happens. Notice it's not blinking on and off anymore. Okay, good luck to you guys.